So before you risk a single dollar on any forex strategy, you need to watch this video. So most traders find strategies online, they jump straight into a live account and wonder why they keep losing. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to test any forex strategy on TradingView. And this is to inform you that you're going to need a paid version of TradingView to access the Pine editor, which is right here, right? The pyramid that you see here. You can click on the link in the description box to get access to TradingView paid version. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So currently, I'm on the 4-hour time frame of Euro USD. And what you have to do is to come to the indicator section. There are a lot of options. You can find a lot of indicators. There's a version for all, which combines indicators and strategy. But our main focus is to come to strategies and come to trending. Okay. This is where also you have access to your own strategy that you've actually built. So you can watch our previous video, which talks about how you can use Claude or ChatGPT to come up with your own strategy or tweak any strategy of your own and backtest it within TradingView. So you want to come to the trending aspect or the trending area and find every single strategy that you can find. And obviously there are a lot of strategies that the name makes sense. Okay, for instance, the trend state strategy, we know that it's obviously capturing trend. You have others that focus on super trend signals. Obviously you can find the detail, especially if you come to the author. You can read more about the author and what the strategy is about most of the time. So that's not the focus right now. So let's look at the one that is having the highest number of users. Okay, so in this case, that is the EW, which is the EW RSI advanced strategy. So let's look at that. All right, how impressive it is. So we have it opened in the Pine editor. Okay, and this is the analysis report, which I'm going to look at that. Obviously, it doesn't really look impressive for a strategy, but mind you, you can tweak the strategy and you can visit our previous video that helps you on how you can do this yourself. We can check the max drawdown, so we can see the profitability of the trades. We can see the profit factor, which is 1. It's not bad, honestly. So we can check the Sharpe ratio here and other trade analysis. Okay, so let's look at more detail. So we have the total number of trades, which is 81. We have the total number of open trades. Great. So it gives us a bit about the detail about this strategy. It's not that impressive. We can see the detail in terms of the trades that have been executed. So one of the things that you need to know is that this is not the final output, okay? Because most strategies are overfit. So you need to tweak it a bit. You need to make a lot of changes to make sure it meets your trading confluence and it meets your trading strategy or your style of trading. So if we go back on this day, you can see that multiple buy entries were placed on the signal. But the reason why I'm not actually impressed with this particular strategy is because of the style that I trade. Okay, I want to have a single trade fired every single day for me because I'm an intraday trader. Okay, so I expect trades to be firing every day, at least 2 trades in a day. And you want a consistent system that will bring in revenue every single month. So you don't want a system or you don't want a strategy that we place in trades once in a week or once in a month. It doesn't really meet that trading goal we want to achieve. Okay, so in that particular case, let's look at the next strategy. If we scroll down, okay, this is quite cool. We have 1.9k people and this focuses on ATR trailing stop. Okay, let's take a look at that as well. Whoa, okay, so it's not that impressive, but let me check other time frames as well. Okay, let me check out the time frame because we are on 4-hour time frame. And one of the things that you should take note of is that some of these strategies are not meant for every pair. Okay, so for instance, what you have to be doing, you can be changing the currency pairs. For instance, so I'm gonna go on XAU USD, okay, to see how it performs. So let's take a look at this, how it performs, which it's quite impressive. So we could see that this strategy really works on gold. But one of the things or one of the highlights I want you to be aware of is this. So the initial capital it's using is $1 million. Not everybody have this capital to test the strategy. So I'm going to change it to, let's say, $1,000, which is fair, to see how that performs if we still get the same result. And there we go. So we need to look at all of these things because we need to look at the realistic number, right? We need a capital that is realistic, which in the case between a $500 account to a $1,000 account, and see how it performs. And in this case, $1,000 wasn't able to pull through. Okay, in some strategy cases, you need to increase the capital to 50K, for instance, before you see some results, and that's not the kind of strategy we want. Okay, so in this case we see that it was able to fire some, profitable. It was very profitable once the capital is huge, and we don't want that. So what you have to be looking out for is obviously tweak this strategy to make sure that it fires trade even on a smaller account. Okay, which if you follow the channel, we're going to be zooming into all of that for your sake. And so guys, this is how you find strategies and tweak it to your taste on TradingView. So if you find value in this video, make sure you subscribe and give us a like for other people to see this video.